Hi ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to London Gatwick. Local time is 2 o'clock. Very shortly, cabin crew should be leaving their seats to perform safety related duties. However, we do ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has deemed it safe to turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. Now, portable electronic devices for messaging calls and internet access may now be used. Please make sure you do take all of your personal belongings with you today by checking in the seat pockets underneath the seat and finally in the overhead lockers. Do take extra care when opening the lockers in case anything has moved during landing and could fall out. Smoking is not permitted until you have reached a designated smoking area. We know you did have a choice of airlines today. We do thank you very much for choosing to fly with easyJet on behalf of your amazing Captain Mel, your first officer and the rest of your London Gatwick based cabin crew. It certainly has been our pleasure being of service to you. We shall very shortly be handing you over to our ground agents here in Gatwick should you need any further help or assistance when you are inside of the North Terminal. Now, if you are returning home, let us be the first to welcome you back, and if you are here for a visit or a connection flight, we do hope you enjoy your stay. Now, all that's left to say now is on behalf of myself and my crew, we do wish you a very safe and pleasant onward journey to your final destination. Once again, thank you and a very good afternoon to you all. Also, ladies and gentlemen, we do sincerely apologise for the late running of this service this afternoon, but we do apologise for any inconvenience this may have caused. Once again, thank you.